People don't want to work with outdated equipment. They want to fix things right. They want to take pride in their workspace, right? Our environment is everything to us. So when they can hold their head up high and post videos on Facebook or Instagram and say, hey, I'm fixing cars right, I feel proud where I work, and they really feel like they have a sense of community that goes with it, they won't leave you. And they will attract more talent. But equipment goes a long way. If you have outdated equipment and you're not doing the right thing with it, people don't want to come work for you. You might be attracting the wrong kind of employee. Yes, there's a technician shortage. What are they doing to address the technician shortage? So I have to look at myself in the mirror and say, what am I doing to address it? Am I somewhere that I want to work? Am I somewhere that the average 20-year-old wants to work? As employers, we have to stay on top of the market. I was at an industry event, and a couple of my peers were making the comments that kids today don't want to work. They say that every generation, right? And I think that's because of the disconnect, because some of us that maybe have grown up a certain way or used to a certain thing, we're not evolving and staying, just like technology has to, we're not evolving and staying on top of industry trends of what our workforce is looking for. There's people out there. I have a waiting list of people that want to come work for us. And I'm not just saying that, we really do, because I wanted to be one of the employers of choice by staying relevant. People have different buzzwords in this generation: work-life balance. There's, how plugged in they are, how connected they feel. Some people are looking to connect to an employer that connects. We have a charitable piece of our organization, not just because that's what we want to do, but it's also what our employees said that they value in an employee, right? In an employer that stays connected to the community, that gives back, that cares. When it comes to being unpopular, I say challenge yourself. There's only opportunities. There's always been obstacles in every generation, in every workforce. Giving them the right tools, the right training, those you hear that a lot, but are you really committed to doing it? But then, are you connected to your people? Do they have a purpose, and do they have a career path? Why pick you over someone else? Because there's a lot of people fixing cars right now. So if there's not value there, they're going to go somewhere else. So you have to create value within your organization and make sure that you stay connected.